Amanda, and today we're in CVS to talk about the differences between men and women's hair removal products. So first we're going to start with men's razors. As you can see, the colors are pretty dark. We use a lot of blues, blacks, and greens. The font is straightforward, it's not too elaborate. The packaging is pretty minimal, it's straight lines, not too curvy or feminine. And then the names of the razors are a little bit more masculine. They use blade and sleek and like strong words, hydro, quattro, and a lot of the packages say just for men on them. And we're gonna go down to the shaving cream. Again, they use a lot of blacks and blues, darker colors, what stereotypically would be masculine colors. The font is a little bit more edgy and pretty straight lines and minimal design. And for the women's products, as you can tell, they're a little bit more feminine. Actually, they're a lot more feminine. They have pinks and purples and oranges, fun colors, a lot of white versus the black. And we'll just pick one of these up. As you can tell, the way the razor is shaped, it's a lot more curved. They advertise lotion, which is appealing to women. Hydro Boost, and just silk is a more feminine word. They include shea butter, which is a product that most women want in their daily routine. And back with the packaging, a lot of curves. And down with and then with the women's shaving cream, we have a lot different bottle. Actually, let me just show you. We have a comparison. So there's obviously a lot of differences in the bottles. This would be more appealing to women with the curved cap and the soft colors. It has words like buzzwords like therapy, moisturizing, hydrant. It talks about how there's lotion and all kinds of minerals and healthy vitamins for your skin. Versus the men's, it's kind of, it doesn't really talk too much about it. It says aloe and sensitive skin, but it doesn't really make that its key points in the sell. It just tries to stick with the, you know, getting the job done pretty much. So since we talked about how the women's razors have a little bit more curve to them and a fun handle, we'll talk about the men's now. Although they don't talk about how they have lotion as much as the women's do, they still do. And as you can see, the handles are very masculine. They have grips on them, blacks and blues. And just like the men's, how it talked about for men, they have razors that say just for women. So there's a similarity there. And another similarity is the branding. Pretty similar brands. They just have stereotypically girl and guy versions of them. So in conclusion, there's obviously a lot of differences in men's and women's hair removal products, but there's also a few similarities. Thank you.